Hey, I'm Jaime Rutt and welcome to BrainFit. This is the first video in the BrainFit series, and this is teaching you about brain speed. So brain speed is the brain's ability to process information. So what we're going to do in this video is talk about a brain speed chart. So we are going to give your brain a symbol to process, and then we're going to assign a task to that symbol. For example, on this chart, you're going to see there is a line and a ball. So what we're going to do for this video is if the ball is on the right side of the line, you are going to tap the right side of your body. If the ball is on the center of the line, you're going to tap both hands onto the body. And if the ball is on the left side of the line, you're going to tap the left side of the body. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to face away from you. So you can see here that we have the ball on the right, the ball in the center, the ball on the left, left, right, center, right. So here's what this is going to look like. You're going to process that, and I see the balls on the right, so I'm going to go right, center, I'm tapping both hands, left, left, right, center, right. And then you're going to go through the chart. You're going to go line by line by line, getting through the whole chart. So here's what we're going to do. I'll do the first two lines so you can kind of get the rhythm of it. So here we go. Right, center, left, left, right, center, right, left, right, left, center, center, right, left. Now, the first time you go through this, I just want you to go through and just kind of let the body figure it out, right? See how the body processes the information from the eyes to the brain down into a task on the body. Then once you do it one time, I want you to try and time yourself. So set a timer for 30 seconds and then just go line by line by line by line. And when the timer goes up, I want you to point to where you stopped on the chart. Maybe you'll get through the chart one time and go back all the way up to the top, or maybe only get through half of the chart. But you're going to do that one time, then let it process for a moment, and then try again, still at 30 seconds, and see if you get further along in the chart. And then let me know how you do.